Okay, it seems that everyone is ready now. A blessed morning to everyone. To the very warm people from this institution, Hope Christian High School, headed by Principal Dr. Angeline Tan, together with the school chaplain, Reverend William Jonathan Ong, our MPG President, Dr. Isidro Aguilar, our MPG Advisor, Mrs. Mirna Atara, our other MPG officers, Dr. Archibald Rodriguez, Sir R.B. Ibarra, Sir Renard Chua, and our MPG elite, Ms. Minerva Bianca Abusilia, to our Mathematical Olympiad Summer Training Program teachers, including our Secretariat, Mrs. Margaret Abusilia, to our very proud parents and other guests who are here with us today, and of course, our #1 stars for today, our math awardees. Welcome to the 2025 awarding ceremony of the International Cameroon Mathematics Competition and the STEMCO Maths. The International Cameroon Mathematics Competition was conducted on March 22 to 28, 2025 via online with a record-breaking participation of 26,230 public and private school students from the Philippines alone. This massive participation marked a significant milestone in the country's commitment to mathematical excellence. Filipino athletes achieved 94 gold, 383 silver, and 553 bronze, in which they will be receiving today. STEMCO, on the other hand, was conducted during the MPG Young Mathematicians in-house intensive training program at the Great Eastern Hotel in Quezon City last month, April 12. These athletes achieved a remarkable feat, bringing home 50 gold, 208 silver, and 188 bronze, where they are invited to compete in the STEMCO Global Finals Months on June 21 to 22, 2025 in Singapore. Today, we're here to celebrate not just numbers and scores, but the amazing effort, determination, and love for learning shown by our students with these two competitions. Whether it's solving equations, cracking logic puzzles, or staying calm during a time quiz, these young minds have truly impressed us all. So, let's get ready for a fun, inspiring, and well-deserved celebration of their successes. To begin our celebration, let's take a moment to pause, reflect, and give thanks. I invite everyone to stand and bow their heads as Reverend William Jonathan Ong leads us in an opening prayer.
Shall we pray? Dear God, we give thanks for this morning. We give thanks for this wonderful auditorium that we could gather. We pray, Lord, for the whole morning's awarding ceremony, that it would go according to your plan. We thank you for all these math students that have given their best to excellence. And I pray, Lord, that you would protect these young minds, that they are our future in the Philippines. I pray that they will continue to dream, continue to excel, so that they will become our next presidents, our next senators, our next teachers, our next lawyers, our next engineers. Lord, we commit all of them into your give thanks also for all the parents that are here. May they continue to support their children. And of course, we uplift this MTG program into your hands. I pray for all the leaders that you will be with them and guide them and give them wisdom. So we commit this full awarding, Lord, into your hands. May you be glorified. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Please be seated.
Please remain standing as we sing our national anthem, Lupang Hilirang. Let's sing proudly and from the heart. This is to be followed by the Awit ng Maynila, a song that reminds us of the beauty and strength of this city. To lead us, may we call on Ms. Kaylee Alexis L. Laco, a student from this school, Hope Christian High School. To officially you kindly sit down, everyone. This is the time for you to sit down. Thank you. Okay, to officially welcome us in today's celebration, we're happy to call on the principal of this institution, the very accommodating Dr. Angeline Tan. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Hope Christian High School. To all the winners in this room, welcome to Hope Christian High School. When I say winners, I'm not just referring to students, but I'm referring to the parents, to the MTG officials, to the trainers, and to everybody in this room. All of you will know Thomas Edison, right? Especially the students, right? Okay. Thomas Edison has a famous quote. He says, "Genius is 10% inspiration and 90% perspiration." To be in this pool of awardees, you are considered genius or gifted. But for you to be able to achieve and gain your rewards this morning, it takes a lot of hard work, time, not just perspiration. I believe you also shed a lot of tears. For the parents and teachers who shared in your achievements, they give more than their time, effort, encouragement, and resources. Do you know, students, they give their life to be where you are today. This morning, I stand before winners. Yes, you are all winners in your own right. And all winners started as losers. But you are, at the beginning, losers who did not stop nor give up, but get up each time you fail. And you make each failure a stepping stone and lessons to be learned to enrich your experience, making you winners of today. I want to share with you the acronym of winner. First, to be a winner, you have to wonder. Be a wonder man, wonder woman. Above all, watch with glittering eyes the whole world around you, because the greatest secrets are always hidden in the most unlikely places. Those who didn't believe in magic or miracles will never find it. That's actually a quote by Roald Dahl, one of my favorite authors. And winners do not just wonder, you do not just dream, but you inquire. You investigate, you ask questions. Aristotle said, the things about which we inquire are equal to the number of things we understand. If you don't inquire, you don't understand. So winners wonder, winners inquire, winners nurture. Nurture your mind with great thoughts, for you will never go anywhere than you think. Nurture your creativity and your character. Feed them, okay, with healthy things. Do not allow gadgets to impoverish your creativity. Nurture them. Next, a winner network. They collaborate. They don't depend on themselves to win. Okay, because we believe that, as Mother Teresa said, I can do things you cannot do. You can do things I cannot do. Together, we can do great things. Aside from wonder, inquire, nurture, and network, a winner empowered. A winner do not just have the superpowers themselves, the intelligence. They use this power to empower people, to support people around them, especially those who are weaker than us. Lastly, a winner stay resilient. Resilient are. Meaning to say, we will go through tough times. You will give up, but do not. Stay focused. Work harder. My favorite verse in the Bible is Philippians 4:13. It says, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. I don't do things by myself. Whatever I can do, because I pray for it, God gives me the strength to do it. Lastly, it's what you have done with your time, how you have chosen to spend your days, and whom you have touched this time. That is the greatest measure of success, being a winner. What lives, whom have you touched? Okay, so remember, as winners, you will be successful in the near future. But do not forget your God, do not forget your country, do not forget your fellow men. Welcome once again to Hope Christian High School, and a pleasant morning to each one of you.
Thank you, Dr. Tan, for the very warm welcome, and at the same time for the things that you have inputted to our students. And it's about Edison, who have said that it's 90% perspiration and 10% inspiration. Did you have the 90% perspiration children? while you were taking the exam? Yeah, okay. So, thank you so much again, Dr. Tan. And we would also like to hear a message coming from our MTG President, Dr. Isidro Aguilar. Let's give a hand for him.
Thank you very much. Sabi ko din natin bibigyan ng inspirational message because we are already inspired by the message of the principal, Dr. Angeline Tan. To our advisor, Mrs. Atara, the Vice President, Archie, and all the MTG officers, and of course, ang abala, Sir R.B. Umano. Palakpakan po natin si Sir R.B. And of course, the principals who are here. Pwede bang tumayo mga principals from public and private na nandito? Huwag na mahiya. Ayun. Mathematics teachers, department heads, and of course, parents, and the mathematicians. Good morning! Nag-breakfast na ba kayo? Good morning! Get ready to be amazed because today we're not just celebrating an event. We are celebrating a mathematical phenomenon. Prepare to be blown away by the incredible achievements of our Filipino students in the 2025 International Cadre Mathematics Contest, or IKMC. A record-shattering 26,230 students from public and private schools across the Philippines participated in this online competition from March 22nd to 28th. And the results, simply breathtaking. We are talking at staggering 1,718 awards, 94 gold, 383 silver, 553 bronze. This was organized by France. And a whopping 688 merit awards. It's a victory born of dedication, fueled by late nights and illuminated by the exceptional problem-solving skills and brilliance of our young athletes. Some of them are here. Their teachers in the schools deserve immense credit for their unwavering support. But hold on to your hearts, because the excitement does not stop there. Our Filipino athletes also absolutely dominated the STEMCO organized by Singapore math competitions, bringing home a phenomenal 50 gold, 208 silver, and 188 bronze in medals, plus 157 merit certificates. And lastly, the Spirit of Math, organized by Canada. 9 public school students granted free training scholarship. Palakpakan po natin yung mga yon. So let's give a massive round of applause to all our awards winners, their teachers, families, and everyone who played a part in this incredible success. Today, we celebrate not just members, but the power of dedication, the thrill of discovery, and the bright future of mathematics in the Philippines. Let the celebrations begin.
thank you so much, Dr. Sid, for the recognition of the people who have excelled in this different competitions of MPG. And we're sure our students are now even more inspired to keep learning and striving for excellence. And now, for the most exciting part, let's give a cheer for math awardees. We're so proud of each and every one of you. You've worked hard, stayed focused, and today is your time to shine. As your name is called, please come up the stage to receive your medal. May we request Dr. Angelique Tan and Dr. Isidro Aguilar to be on the stage to bestow the medals to our top scorers, our gold medalists, and our silver medalists. We shall now start the awarding of the IKMC. At this juncture, may we call on Mr. Renard Chua to call on our awardees.
Good morning, everyone. Kids, are you ready? So before we start, I'll give some instructions now so that we will be very quick with regards to the awarding. So all the students will go up this side, okay? On my left, so on your right. Lahat will go up there and we'll go down here. We'll go down here, okay? If ever your certificate has any misspellings, later on afterwards, kung talagang, if you will leave early, you just send a message sa MTG page. Okay? And then we will send a soft copy. The staff will send a soft copy to you. Okay? And then, we will follow the order and we will call the awardees by 10. So by 10, so I will announce first what category it is. Then we will call the names by 10. Okay? If less than 10, then less than 10 of the classes 3. Okay? It will be alphabetical order by grade level, everything. Okay? And then, what else? And lastly, if we will not allow anybody to disrupt the flow. So, if you will be claiming for some other friends, some of your classmates, kindly wait for the end of the program before we accommodate you. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. So now we start with the Kangaroo Math Contest perfect scores. Okay? So all in all, there are 7. So, first on the list is Benjamin Matthew Mama from grade 1 from Precious International School, Davao. So all perfect scores will receive a gold medal, a gold certificate, and a perfect score certificate. Okay? Next, grade 1, Johan Libritan from Wisdom Light Christian Academy. From Jose Rizal Memorial School, Rainil Jerry Kaduya. From Senior School San Juan, grade 2, Lucian Nicolo Datu. From Grace Christian College, grade 2, Wylexi Giannina. From grade 4, GCF South Metro Christian School, Rafael River Hapini Natalia. And lastly, grade 8 from Chinese International School, Manila, Karsten Edmond Ang. So out of all the participants, these 7 got perfect score. Got a perfect score in the International Kangaroo Math Competition 2025. Okay. Yeah. So each will receive a gold medal, perfect score certificate and a gold certificate. Okay? Then afterwards, kindly align. Okay. Now next, grade 1, all gold medalists of IKMC from grade 1 to 12, please stand by. So start from the grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and so on. Next, okay, congratulations to the perfect scorers. It's not easy to get a perfect score. Okay, next, gold medalists. All in all, we have 77 that are attending, that confirmed. First on the list, Johan Avery Tan from Wisdom Life Christian Academy. Ryan Jerry Kabuya. They're the same, sorry. I'm skipping the perfect scores already. First muna, from St. Jude Catholic School, grade 2, Jonard Dryler Chul. From Upper Bikutan Elementary School, Sebastian Earl Gagang. From De La Salle Santiago Sobel School, Inigo Sebastian Ricardo. From Jubilee Christian Academy, Lance Christian D. And from Savior School, Kirk Reinhard Young. So ito grade 2 lahat. Next, for grade 3, we have Lilio Ko from St. Stephen's High School. So next, Caleb Isaac Marquez from Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Calamba. From St. Jude Catholic School, Caleb Jordan Bravo. Ito grade 4 na. From St. Francis of Assisi, Bacoor, Lynette Micaela Moldes. From St. Jude Catholic School, Alistair Ivan Sehico. From Frames of Mind School, Miriam Sobaco. From Divine Light Academy, Bacoor, Elizur Daniel Anabeza. From Immaculate Conception Academy, San Juan, Lexi Benice Calacday. From MDC New Life Christian Academy, Chan Tio, and from Wisdom Life Christian Academy, Timothy Ezra Cheng. Okay, so we stop here. Okay, so move. Yeah. Okay. So these are the first. So 21 to 30 is already flashed in the screen. If your name is there, please go in front. Your name. If your name is there, 21 to 30. I'll call out. So 21 to 30, the next one that will come up. Pero don't come up here. I will just read the names of 21 to 30. Okay. Tintang Rojo from NTC New Life Christian Academy, Wilson Brian Lim from Pangasinan Universal Institute, and Dorothy Madrazo of Timoteo Paez Elementary School, John Lemuel Zapanta of Mario Obrero Elementary School. All of them are in grade 5. And starting here, grade 6, Dereen Kairael Blancaflor of De La Salle Lipa, Joaquin Edward Cardinal of Integrated Montessori Center, Mishael Okiel Chan of St. Jude Catholic School, Ezekiel Tubichen of Wisdom Life Christian Academy, Pia Kuramin of Tenement Elementary School, and Karsten Seth Labrak of Grace Christian College. So next batch na kayo. Okay. Okay, so that one lang. So again, if you're gold medalist of IKMC, regardless of level, so next na to, grade 7 to 12 na, please stand by. Okay, please stand by. This is for IKMC talaga, IKMC.
Okay guys, ready?
Okay. So stand by. So 11:30 I am already. Okay, group photo first. Photo muna. See. Okay.
Kids, raise your medals, raise your medals.
Raise your certificates.
Don't cover your face.
Okay, ready, look here. 1, 2. Look here guys, 1, 2. One more. Okay, good.
Put here na kids. So ganyan yung flow Ganyan yung flow. Okay? Okay, so we will change the. So, ready? The next batch are ready? So I will call on the next batch, kindly wait. I will call on the next batch. Tempo leader pass, tempo. This is for IKMC gold medalists, okay? So, come up. Nathan, come up. Go up. Go up, go. Those that have the certificate. Okay, next batch na, I will call okay na? Okay, so 21, Nathan Gohok. 22, Wilson Lim. 23, Ann Madrazo. 24, Jan Zapata. 25, Celine Langaflor. 26, Joaquin Cardinal. 27, Michael Chan. 28, Ezekiel Cheng. 29, Fian Kuraming. And 30, Karsten Tanda. Okay. Okay, next. I will call on the next batch. So please stand by on the side. After their photo, you can go up. 31. Savannah Lucia de Guzman, St. Paul College, Pasig. 32, Hilchok Esyo, Pangasinan Universal Institute. 33, Sophia Haley House, St. Jude Catholic School. 34, Alisa Grace Nang, MDC New Life, Christian Academy, grade 6.
Hey, ready?
30,
Guys, look here.
35, Francesca Ong,
Hey, ready?
MDC New Life, Christian Academy. 36, Park Shi-yun, Reading International School. 37, Matthew Eldridge Uy, St. Jude Catholic School. 38, Annette Tiffany Yu, St. John's Institute, Bacolod. 39, Ayana Justine Abrilia, Senator Renato Compañero Cayetano. And number 40, Iwan Daniel Canaria, Philippine Science High School, Main Campus. Okay? Yeah, yan na. Okay? So, congratulations to the fourth batch. Tama na yan. Okay. Next, 41. Ethan Caleb Choi, Philippine Science High School Main Campus. 42, Leah Mikel Tehatina, Philippine Science High School Main Campus. 43, Ethan Liam Go, St. Jude Catholic School. 44, Steve Lowell Polio, St. Stephen's High School. 45, Albert Stephen Khan, St. Jude Catholic School. 46, Tana Ping China, St. Jude Catholic School. 47, Ashton Grant Yang, Philippine Science High School, main campus. 48, Karsten Ang, already awarded, perfect scorer. 49, Zach Harvey Cordula, Philippine Science High School, Calabarzon campus. And 50, Kai Daniela Ho, of Case Academy. Okay? Next batch. Okay, next batch. 51, Darian Elrich Matato, Taguig Science High School. 52, Adriel Leonard Manamparan, Philippine Science High School, main campus. 53, Janelle Carel Lang, Grace Christian College. 54, Pagtakhan Deliam Tadeo, Makati Science High School. 55, Viv Rex Pimentel, Senator Renato Caballero Aitano. 56, Tyler John Pinson, Pasig City Science High School. Christian Pungala, General Emilio Aguinaldo National High School. 58, 18, Stephanie Yu, British School, Manila. 59, Jaden Nathan Hernandez, St. Stephen's High School. And number 60, from Singapore School, Manila, Zachary Esberto. Zachary Esberto. Okay. So, congratulations. Okay, so one group photo, 61 to 70. Please stand by. Caitlin Lopinco from Philippine Science High School main campus. Raylene Abigail So of St. Jude Catholic School. Maria Graciela Gata Bedar, De La Salle Integrated School, Laguna. Mariah Anthony Atawa of Pasig City Science High School. Alexander Cole Pua of Hope Christian High School. Senator Renato Caballero Aitano, Mark Troa Dorado. From Luis Y. Ferrer Jr. National High School, Darius Charles Fajardo. From Faith Academy, Sebastian Alster Lau. From Grace Christian High School, Jared Rubenang and Will Chanel Janaya Nam. Then the last segment, 71. Mishka Alexas Moito of Praise of Mind School. Zion Sky Earl Carmelo Uy of Philippine Science High School. Christopher Adobiso Jr. of De La Salle University, Manila. Ian Gabriel Hong of De La Salle University, Manila. Jerome Austin Te of Jubilee Christian Academy. Enzo Grant Shin of Victory Christian International School. And lastly, Cody Ari Saloma of De La Salle University, Manila. So that completes the 77 gold medalists. Up next, STEMCO Math Gold Medalist. STEMCO Math Gold Medalist. STEMCO muna. Okay, so STEMCO, I will start muna at the first 10. Please stand by there on the side, okay? 1 to 10 muna. 1 to 10. STEMCO, 1 to 10. From Philippine Cultural College, Manila Campus, Johnny Kai. From SPED Center of the Gifted, Sean Kendrick Enrique. From Our Lady of the Holy Rosary General Trias, Jeremiah Skyler Eugenio. From Makati Hope Christian School, Ramon Philip Diego. From Mary School, Harry Christopher Lee. From the Abbas Orchard Montessori School, Blue Dante Renomeron. From Wisdom Light Christian Academy, Johan Ilitan. From Xavier School, Adrian Derek Ang, and from St. Teresa's College, Quezon City, Ava Sofia Carlos. First step gold medalist. Okay. Next, 11 to 20, please stand by. 11 to 20, Johnson Jensen Chua, Makati Hope Christian School. 12, Justin Claire Comstein, St. Jude Catholic School. 13, Lauren Foster from Precious International School, Davao. 14, Thea Pauline Garcia, Colegio San Agustin, Binyan. 15, 16 from Zamboanga High School, Cyrus Carl Manarang and Cyrus Carl Manarang. 17 from Amparo Elementary School, Raneo Rapora. 18 from Kalayaan Elementary School, Vince Caleb Finaw. From 19 from Isa Digilino, Sophie Takuyan, and lastly Bryce Aldrich Tam from Zamboanga. 20 20. Next, 21 to 30. LJ Apostol, Gordon Heights 1 Elementary School. Phil Barcelona, St. John's Institute. Kian Chua, Makati Hope Christian School. Malakay Navid Nava, Silvestre Navarro Elementary School. Nicolo Amias of Ilada, Calamba Elementary School. Rian Sun Escacho, Colegio San Agustin, Binyan. Gabriel Maximilian Regalado, Amparo Elementary School. Alistair Ivan Siahinto, St. Jude Catholic School. Kaiser Charleston So, Philippine Cultural College, Caloocan, and 30, Kelsey Dominic Tan Jimenez of St. Jude Catholic School.
Okay, good.
Okay, congratulations, kids. Okay, we're up to 30, so last two batches. So 31 to 40, I will read it now. 31, Jaden Benten. 32, Hannah Gabriel Arcilia from Notre Dame of Greater Manila. 33, Andrea Gabriel Braganza. 34, Nathan Goho from DC New Life Christian Academy. 35, Wilson Brian Lim, Pangasinan Universal Institute. 36, Carlos Santino Acevet, St. Jude Catholic School. 37, Matthew Eldridge Foy, St. Jude Catholic School. 38, Annette Tiffany Yu, St. Jude Catholic, St. John's Institute, Bacolod. 39, Don Emmanuel de la Peña, Philippine Science Calabarzon. And 40, Leah Miguel de Hadina, Philippine Science High School, Main Campus. Okay, and last, 41 to 50. 41 to 50. Ethan Liam Go, St. Jude Catholic School. Janelle Naitali, Camesha College. Elisha Neil Sumo, General Emilio Aguinaldo National High School. Reverend Marion Felix, Philippine Science High School, Calabarzon. Lauren Erich Madatu, Taguig Science High School. Adriel Leonard Manamparan, Philippine Science High School, Main Campus. Robert Hendrick Uy, St. John's Institute. Samantha Claire Dionisio, Ateneo de Manila Senior High. Felix Ruben Joseph, Philippine Science High School, Calabarzon Campus. And lastly, Kim Matthew Pandes, Ligao National High School. Okay, then next, we will award the Spirit of Math Scholarship recipients. Okay.
Okay, ready guys, look here.
I will just read the citation from the certificate. Okay, so this is from Canada, Spirit of Math Contest, releasing the genius, presents this certificate of scholarship grant to the 9 students for being one of the 11 public school students from the Philippines who obtained the highest scores in the Spirit of Math Contest, and is now conferred this scholarship grant to attend for free the online Spirit of Math Campus, amounting to $3,595 Canadian dollars, sponsored by the Releasing of Math Genius Fund, a private scholarship fund created to support students who show both academic excellence and economic need. Note, the scholarship grant is not convertible to cash. Presented this 17th day of May 2025 at Hope Christian High School, Manila, Philippines. Signed, CEO and co-founder of Spirit of Math Contest, Kim Lege. Okay, so if your name is called, please go up the stage. First, from Dr. Jose P. Rizal Elementary School, Grade 1, Alejo Dominic Ilagan. Number 2, from Bayanan Elementary School, Grade 1, Lyle Quito. From Grade 4 to at the same time, Sion Grace Azucena and Jeraya Borlactan. Number 5, Calamba Elementary School, Grade 4, Nicolo Amias Laga. Number 6, Anne Dorothy Madrazo from Timoteo Paez Elementary School. 7, from Grade 6, Samuel Alarcon from Puerto Princesa Pilot Elementary School. And the last 2, both Grade 6 from Palawan State University Laboratory Elementary School, Nathaniel Natividad and Michael Eli Socrates. Okay? So these are the 9 of the 11 public school students that were granted free scholarship or free training by the Spirit of Math organizers. Round of applause to them. Move down. One group photo. Okay, next. Silver medalist, MOSTV group, IKMC. I will call the first 10 now. Okay? I will call the first 10. Number 1, Adrian Jerry Kang, Xavier School. Number 2, Ava Carlos, St. Teresa's College, Quezon City. Number 3, Tia Pauline Garcia, Caleo San Agustin, Binyan. Number 4, Kylie Madison Limpit, Philippine Cultural College, Manila. Number 5, Malakay Navid Nava, Silvestre Lazaro Elementary School. Number 6, Skyler Rix Bakay, Academia de Julia Victoria Cavite. Number 7, Leonard Baskay, Xavier School, Valley. Number 8, Leah Ray Shuko, Singapore School, Manila. Number 9, Eunice Carlan, DHC International Institute. And number 10, Erin Layton Po, St. Jude Catholic School. Okay. Next, 11 to 20, please stand by. Is it Nathaniel or June Olaires, Morning Star Montessori School, Los Baños. Number 12, Ezekiel Anton Tan, Pangasinan Universal Institute. Number 13, Chloe Felicity Juan, Northern Rizal European School. Number 14, Steve Jacob Wu, Xavier School, San Juan. Number 15, Samuel Alarcon, Puerto Princesa Pilot Elementary School. Number 16, Josiah Aleon Lagarta, Faith in Batangas. Number 17, Michael Pilay Socrates, Palawan State University Laboratory Elementary School. Number 18, Michael Vincent Bernabe, San Pedro College, Alabang. Number 19, H. Estro, Pangasinan Universal Institute. And number 20, Wayumi Gianina Grace Christian College. Okay. Next, 21 to 30. Please stand by. 21. Sean Tyrone Su, Grace Christian College. 22. Vivian Zuri Aboneja, Las Piñas National Science High School. 23. Chanel Isabel Chu, Paolo Taitung High School. 24. Aaron Tyler Dico, Grace Christian College. 25. Jaisal Altier Juan, Philippine New Child School. 26. Michaela Jamie Juan, Ligao National High School. 27. Chris Caleb Juan, Hope Christian High School. 28. Sean Lawrence Polio, St. Stephen's High School. 29. Fidiel Pulusan, Hope Christian High School. 30. Jared Adriel Aguirre, Manila Science High School. And last two more, 31, 32. Edric Jun Leong of Hope Christian High School. And 32, Dominio Audrey Cielo of Ligao National High School. Yeah, this is for MOSTP. Please pay attention, students. This is MOSTP IKMC silver medalist. So if you're attending the summer training now, you're part of this. So next is bronze medal, MOSTP.
Ready, 1, 2, one more. Okay, good.
Great job, everyone. Let's move on to the next group of amazing awardees. Our bronze medalists. May we request Dr. Archibald Rodriguez and Dr. C. Pisay for the awarding of this bronze medalist.
Thank you, Dr. Tan. So we continue. IKMC bronze medalists. Okay? We have 23 MOSTP group. So Lee Albert Christoph from Mary School, grade 4. Dan Alfred Macam, Xavier School, Valley. Kobe Spencer Nuez, Mother Goose Special School, Pangasinan. Kaiser Charlton So, Philippine Cultural College, Caloocan. Richard Cruz, La Maria Academy. Nadine Elizabeth Rosario, St. Teresa's College, DUC. Angel Jody Tasik, Creative Education for Life Learning. Chelsea Lee De Luna, St. Teresa's College. Juan Nicolas Unigo, Faith Batangas. And Angel John Conejero, Ligao National High School. This is the first 10. Next, 11 to 20, please. Tyrone Flynn, Lim, Pangasinan Universal Institute. Lim Low, Faith Batangas. Blake Montgomery Guillermo, St. Peter Apostle School. Cedric Dilton Lim, Zamboanga Chokwa High School. Clyde Yuan Mersene, okay, guys, again, go out. Ligao National High School. Nathan Keith Yeras, University of Santo Tomas, Manila. Kent Louis Su, Grace Christian College. Inigo Kiran de Guzman, Hope Christian High School. And Eugene Martin Sinampaga, Senator Renato Compañero Caetano, Memorial Science and Technology High School. Then the last four, isama na natin last four. Peter John Ringuela, Ligao National
High School, Ethan Gabriel Go, Hope Christian High School, Rian Oxidio, Hope Christian High School, and John Irving Velasco, Ligao National High School. Okay, so that is the bronze medalist for MOSTP participants of IKMC. Next, MOSTP STEMCO, silver. STEMCO, silver, MOSTP. I will start calling them now. Number first on the list, Gabe Lexus Buenio Obra, Divine Life Academy Bacoor. Chelsea Daniel De Luna, St. Teresa's College. Kylie Madison Limkit, Philippine Cultural College, Manila. Mateo James Ocho, De La Salle Santiago Sobel School. Bella Lorraine Dantes, Hope Christian High School. Albert Christoph Lee, Marley School. Joran Altelstar Law, Southern Sky Montessori School. Kobe Spencer Lewis, Motherhood Special School System. Joash Elliott O, Hope Christian High School. And Daniel Gabriel Pascual, Colegio San Agustin, Bulacan. So these are the first 10. Silver. Next, Santay, 11 to 20. Anabeza Elizur Daniel, Divine Life Academy Bacoor. Leonard Bashkai, Xavier School, Valley. Liam Renchuco, Singapore School, Manila. James Anthony Co, St. Jude Catholic School. Eunice Garland, DHC Educational Institution. Rohan Jaden Jabronilio, Academia de Julia Victoria Cavite. Nathaniel Olives, Morningstar Montessori School, Los Baños. Ezekiel Antonta, PUI, Pangasinan, and Steve Jacob Yu, Xavier School, San Juan, and Samuel Alarcon, Puerto Princesa Pilot Elementary School.
Careful, guys, careful. Careful.
Okay, congratulations. Next, 21 to 30, please stand by. Michael Opios Child, St. Jude Catholic School. 22, Chelsea Lee De Luna, St. Teresa's College, QC. 23, Hildrop Esho, PUI. 24, Yi Ching, Louis Ching, St. Jude Catholic School. 25, Michael Eli Socrates, Palawan State University La Elementary School. 26, Kaylee Coltan Jimenez, St. Jude Catholic School. 27, Sian Jacob Olympia, BHC Educational Institute. 28, Lawrence Marlaan, Ogilupa Science High School. 29, Michael Vincent Bernabe, San Beda College, Alabang. And number 30, H. Job Esho, Pangasinan Universal Institute. So, 11 to 30, please stand by. So kids, once your name is called, sige. Okay? Come. Group photo. Smile at the camera. Next.
Okay, 1, 2.
31 to 40. Please stand by. 31 to 40.
Okay, good.
Number 31, Mayumi Gianina Na, Grace Christian College. 32, Scott Jacob T, St. Jude Catholic School. 33, Sean Tyrone Su, Grace Christian College. 34, Vivian Zuri Apenoha, Las Piñas National Science High School. 35, Juan Alfredo Asperin, Philippine Science High School, Main Campus. 36, Chanel Isabel Chu, Bacolod Taito High School. 37, Aaron Tyler Depot, Grace Christian College. 38, Blake Montgomery Guillermo, St. Peter the Apostle
Ready?
School.
Nice look here.
39, Jaisel Alquerabuan, Philippine Youth House School. And 40, Jedrick Dilton Lim, Romanga Chowa High School. So please go. And lastly, the last 5. We finish off the 5 para kung may absent 1 photo na. 41, Kenzie Timothy Ong, Dalawa Santiago Sobel. 42, Jacob Trevor Cao, Better Together Homeschool. 43, Jared Adriel Aguirre, Manila Science High School. 44, Ethan Jude Saclamical, Muntinlupa Science High School. And 45, Lord Akne Rea Ulo, Ligao National High School. These are the 45 silver medalists for Step 4. Next, stand by MOSTP Step Bronze winners. Okay, I will call the first 10 now. Charles Kenshin Kai, Xavier School Valley. Dylan Cargill Corpus, Faith Batangas. Sofia Ann Malyari, St. Paul College Pasig. Inigo Andres Corcuera, The Learning Tree. Lynette Micaela Mulde, St. Francis of Assisi, Bacoor. Number 6, Lara J. Natividad, Philippine Cultural College, Caloocan. Number 7, Sean Tristan Pagulo, Isa, Iloilo. Number 8, Kirsten Celine Revis, Faith Batangas. Number 9, Miguelin Uriel Tan, Villamor Air Base Elementary School. And number 10, Ling Su, Hope Christian High School. So first 10. Next, 11 to 20. Please stand by. 11 to 20. Abby Zanoa Aspirin, St. Jude Catholic School. Number 12, Kyler Riggs Makay, Academia de Julia Victoria Cavite. Number 13, Richard Cruz, La Maria Academy. Number 14, Atom Calvin Gan, Victory Christian International School. 15, Erin Layton Go, St. Jude Catholic School. 16, Yak Kim Raven Ho, Shanghai Shek College. 17, Ann Dorothy Madrazo, Timoteo Paez Elementary School. 18, David Gabriel Reaport, Zamboanga Chamoa High School. 19, Nadine Elizabeth Rosario, St. Teresa's College of Quezon City. And number 20, Angel Jody Tasik, Creative Education for Life Learning. Okay. Next, hold your photo. Now 21 to 30, stand by. 21, Drew Antonio Joaquin Pugas, Precious International School, Davao. Isaiah Fan Escobedo, Isa, Iloilo. Nathaniel Natividad, Palawan State University Elementary School, Nathaniel Natividad. Angel John Conejero, Ligao National High School. Mark Daniel De La Rosa, Faith in Batangas. 26, Sofia Victoria Domingo, Xavier School, Valley. 27, Audrey Daniel Lim, St. Jude Catholic School. 28, Tyrone Flynn Lim, PUI. 29, Lian Audrey Limbo, Faith Batangas. And 30, Francesca Rome Pintor of Ligao National High School. Next, 31 to 40, stand by. 31 to 40, Steve Noel Polio, St. Stephen's High School. John Vincent Cinco, Ligao National High School. Antoinette Cabonillo, Academia de Julio Victoria Cavite. Clyde Yuan Mercene, Ligao National High School. Francis Fidel Racadio, Tanawan City Integrated High School. Michaela Jane Yuan, Ligao National High School. Eric Nathan Estiva, Xavier School, Valley. Jaden Nathan Hernandez, St. Stephen's High School. And 39 and 40, both from Hope Christian High School. Chris Caleb Dua and Vivian Lusan. And then last five, 41 to 45, Sinampanga Eugene from Senator Renato Compañero Cayetano. Prince Joey Araneta, Philippine Academy of Sakya. Adrian Geraldine Co, Immaculate Conception Academy, Green Hills. Alexander Colqua and Ethan Gabriel Mo of Hope Christian High School. And Joshua Marie Velasco of Quezon City Science High School.
Okay, ready, look here.
All in all, 46.
Okay, good.
Okay. Congratulations to all. Yeah, may isang set pa. Next, grade 1, grade 2 na tayo. Next. Yes. Back to silver. Grade 1, grade 2, silver. Get ready. So MOSTP group is done. We will, you can go, teachers will accompany you back to the classroom.
Okay, Miguel, 1, 2.
Okay, you will go back to your training. Now, grade 1, grade 2, IKMC silver. Stand by. Yan yung next. Grade 1, grade 2, silver.
Joshua.
So, to those wondering, these students are training for the Math Olympiad Summer Training Program. So, MOSTP means that Math Olympiad Summer Training Program. So, this is the last phase of the training program, and it will end May 24, next Saturday. And these students will be the ones competing around July to August. Okay? So yun. So now, once they go out, parents, you can occupy the seats. So pa-out muna natin, you can occupy the seat. They have been nated now. So we just let them out first, then you can occupy the seats already. Okay? So, medyo marami yan. It's a big number of seats.
Di ba nga kay Jessie ko gusto na mag-collab?
Sige, collab yung dalawa. Pagdating ng 30 times, wala na.
So yeah. What do you want to start, sir? Sir Arby? Okay, so parents, please occupy the seats. Some seats are empty now. You can feel free to find your seat. Afterwards, especially on the right part, rightmost column, you can look for your seat. Okay? So parents, look for your seats. We will call on the grade 1 and 2. So sometimes the flow will be, I think it was emailed to you already. So grade 1, 2, kangaroo. Then grade 1, 2, STEMCO. Then grade 3, 4, kangaroo. Grade 3, 4, STEMCO. Okay, so we go by level. So later on, if you're grade 5, 6, standby lang muna. Grade 1, 2 and now. Grade 1 and 2. So, we'll go.
May I also request the advisor of our MPG to please come up the stage to award the next set of awardees. Thank you so much. Ma'am Mirna Alcala, please come up the stage po.
So let's start grade 1 and 2. So 1 muna, alphabetical order, tapos 2, alphabetical order. First, on the list from Hope Christian High School, number 1, Sofia Angelique Bardaje. Number 2, from Grace Christian College, Maisie Brian Bendition. Number 3, from De La Salle Lipa Integrated School, Zayor Henria Lacaflor. From Vergondon Elementary School, Dylan Cabrera. From School of St. Anthony Lagro, Jairel Capay. From Jose Rizal Memorial School, Zion Reynald Edeza. From St. Jude Catholic School, Hendrix Kyle Estoque. From number 8, Johnson Mikhail Fu, St. Jude Catholic School. Number 9, Ramon Philip Glengo, Makati Hope Christian School. And number 10, Alfonso Central School, Santino Rafael Lapitan. So these are the first 10. Bardaje, Bendition, Lacaflor, Cabrera, Capcatbay, Edisa, Estoque, Fu, Go, and Lapitan. STEMCO later. IKMC muna tayo. IKMC. Okay? 11 to 20. Please stand by. 11 to 20. Harry Christopher Lee, Maris School. Sige. Okay. 3. Smile. Kids, always hold your certificate and smile at the camera. Okay? Next up. Harry Christopher Lee of Maris School. Lu Yi Ni, Grace Christian College. Alexa Isabel Malonzo, Pamplona Elementary School Central. Kid Ken Quintes, Marikina Elementary School. Nicholas Adam Reyes, Las Piñas Elementary School Central. Gabriel Maverick Tan, St. Jude Catholic School. Elric Tyler Tai, Hope Christian High School. Jericho Miguel Aminuevo, De La Salle University, Laguna. Carlo Rodrigo Ayala, Solea San Agustin Binyan. And Jack Owen Lim, Upper Bigutan Elementary School. Okay. Next. Okay, so that's one. 11 to 20. Next, 21 to 30, please stand by. 21 from Ricardo P. Cruz Senior Elementary School, Olivia Harmony Barco. From Chiang Kai-shek College, Ethan Harris Chua and Steve Robinson Chua Jr. 24, Marcus Kubin of Stony Heart Southfield International School, Batangas. 25-26, both from St. Jude Catholic School, Kyra Soleil Dizon and Hannah Elise Estoque. 27, Xavier School, Jimmy Jin. 28, MGC New Life Christian Academy, NJ Enzo Ko. 29, Yao Hui Lu of Grace Christian College. And 30, Alexa Gabriel Malyari of Taguig Integrated School. Okay. So stop muna tayo. Here. And lastly, 31 to 39, please stand by. From Hulwok Elementary School, Zian Naris. From Rizal Elementary School, Serenity Kate Solano. From Acona Elementary School Central, Gaya Franz. From St. Jude Catholic School, Sami Tadeus C. and Abram Michael Tan. 36 from Chiang Kai-shek College, Caden Levi Pugh. 37, Apollo Richter Torno, Leo San Agustin Binyan. 38, Ava Luis Villar, Marikina Elementary School. And 39, Ethan Charles Yong of Xavier School. Okay. Next, bronze medalist of IKMC, grades 1 and 2, please go to the side of the stage. Grades 1 and 2. Grades 1 and 2, bronze medalist of IKMC, please proceed to the side of the stage. Okay. We will give some time to for the young kids, our young kids. Then we also on the ground floor there is a photo booth with a background. You can, once you have all your awards, you can proceed downstairs and take your photos there. Okay. So we'll be faster shortly. We just want to assist our young grade 1s and 2s. Okay. So if we have missed your name, if you are an MOSTP attendee, we will give it to the student later. Okay? Kasi some of the attendees are not regular attendees, some are attending Saturdays only. So it might be, they forgot to add the names. Okay? So don't worry. We will give them out during the training later.
Kala ko may picture lang sa sa. Nandala ko ba? Kunyari mamimik ko na.
Okay. So may we call on the silver medalist for grade 2, Aiden Charleston Yung from Xavier School. So please go up and receive his medal. Okay. Please, okay, you can go up the stage. Thank you, congratulations. Grade 1 and 2, bronze medalists. Is it ready? Are we ready? Okay. So let's start with the first 10. From Xavier School, San Juan, Inigo Andres Aves. From Xavier Catholic School, Maria Gabriel Alam. From Philippine Cultural College, Manila Campus, Zoe Faith Alonso. From Makati Hope Christian School, Kaden Angkasa. From grade 5, Joseph Benedict Baron, St. Paul College, Island Park. From grade 6, number 6, R.G. Bolero, Upper Bigutan Elementary School. Number 7, Kaden Kirik School, St. Jude Catholic School. Number 8, Raven Zion de la Torre, Marikina Elementary School. Number 9, Jeremiah Skyler Eugenio, Our Lady of the Holy Rosary General Trias. And number 10, Olivia Irabel Gatti of School of St. Anthony. So first 10.
sinuot niya. Oh my God. Dito ano.
Okay. Next, 11 to 20.
Damit.
Really, number 11. Ruaridic Joshua Huang of Hope Christian High School. Number 12, Alonso Luis Sabero, PV International School. 13, Keisha Dominic Marchand, Makati Elementary School. 14, Bastian Ang, Grace Christian College. 15, Ray Theodore Oxing, St. Jude Catholic School. 16, Dante Renomeron, The Abbas Orchard Montessori School, Blue Ridge. 17 to 19, all are from St. Jude Catholic School. Winchell Riley Q, Dominic Jose Tosino, and Tyrone Kenzo Yang. And last, number 20, from Upper Bikutan Elementary School, Abelilia Verhel of Upper Bikutan Elementary School. Okay, so dispatch muna. I want more.
Ready, guys, look here. Hey, 1, 2. Okay, good.
Next, 21. Aknam Prince Matthew, Capitan Eddie T. Reyes Elementary School. Las Piñas Elementary School Central, Agpoon Prince Regine. De La Salle Santiago Social School, Isaac Ancheta. Taguig Integrated School Special Science Class, Ezra Natalia Argonia. From Makati Hope Christian School, Lewan Andre Arellano. From Bayanan Elementary School, Ivana Marie Claire Balgeran. From Ricardo P. Cruz Elementary School, Ken Zion Bulanday. 28, from Upper Bikutan Elementary School, Alexius J. Bourbon. 29, from Academia de Julia Victoria Cavite Lucas Edric Abinting. And number 30, from Grace Christian College, LC Daniel Chan. So, dispatch muna tayo. Okay? So, ulit, Aknam, Agpoon, Ancheta, Argonia, Arellano, Balberan, Bulanday, Bourbon, Kabigting, and Chan. Okay? Group photo muna. The next batch, kindly stand by, number 31, from senior school, Cody Daniel Chaiko. From Immaculate Conception Academy, Amanda Melis Ching. 33, from Ricardo P. Cruz Senior Elementary School, Vince Kyrie Colegio. 34, from Stony Herzog International School, Malaraya Rian Destiny Cruz. 35, from Ateneo de Manila University, Rohan Joaquim Francisco. 36, from Pactona Elementary School Central, Gabe Martin Gabilino. 37, from Rizal Elementary School, Kalila Binet Cabrera. 38, from Grace Christian College, Simon Juan. 39, from GCF South Metro Christian School, Italia Gabriel Lake. And number 40, from Rizal Elementary School, Ace Newton Lacrete. Okay. 40. Okay. 41 to 50. From Colegio San Agustin, Binyan, Charlotte Gabriel Layawin. From Philippine Cultural College, Caloocan, Liam Lee. 43, from St. Luke Catholic School, Jacob Asher Lincueco. 44, from Marikina Elementary School, Jesse Radley Lopez. 45, from Upper Bikutan Elementary School, Kristen Dane Lumboy. 46, Taguig Integrated School, Special Science Class, Zachariah Maestrado. 47, from Capitan Eddie P. Reyes Elementary School, Ian Jarl Malaki. 48, Marikina Elementary School, Kyle Drake Marchal. 49, from Taguig Integrated School, Special Science Class, Ernesto Miguel III. And number 50, from Mumok Elementary School, Pauline Gabriel Miranda. So look at the camera. One more. Okay, then last 8. Stand by, last 8. While they're having a group photo. From 51, from Tenement Elementary School, Zia Zamera Morales. 52, Key School, Manila, Max Isaac Nam. 53, John Aiden Mikel Ramiro of Marikina Elementary School. 54, Zion Yuri Lumi Respondo, Integrated Montessori Center. 55, Roslyn Vivian Tan, Collier Southville International School, Malaraya Campus. 56, Xavier Blaze Velasco, Mary Chris Elementary School. 57, GCF South Metro Christian School, Paul Abraham Viray. And last, from Xavier School, San Juan, Ray Macarius Wee. Grades. So that wraps up grades 1 and 2 of IKMC. Now we will go to STEMCO of grades 1 and 2. STEMCO Silver, please stand by. STEMCO winners grade 1 and 2. STEMCO winners grade 1 and 2. Please go to the side of the stage. STEMCO winners grade 1 and 2. Okay, again, to remind you, on the ground floor we have the photo booth, so you can have your photos taken there as well. And then for the parents, for the students, if you are arriving just now, please make sure to move in front. Please sit on the front rows. Okay, so to those students, please ask if you're a student awardee and you're sitting at the back, please move into the front first. You can, once your group is called, it will be faster. Okay. So STEMCO grade 1 and 2 are next.